In the manufacturing industry, a fixture is a specialized tool or device used to hold and position a workpiece during the manufacturing process. Fixtures are designed to ensure that the workpiece is held securely and accurately in place, allowing for precise machining, drilling, or other operations to be performed. Fixtures can be custom designed for specific parts or can be standardized for use across multiple parts or products. Fixtures are an essential component of modern manufacturing processes, as they help to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and increase productivity. By holding the workpiece in a fixed position, fixtures allow for consistent and repeatable results, which is critical in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical device manufacturing. There are many different types of fixtures used in manufacturing, including clamps, jigs, and vices. Each type of fixture is designed to hold a specific type of workpiece, and they can be made from a variety of materials, including steel, aluminum, and plastic. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the design and production of custom fixtures for a wide range of industries. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and knowledge to create fixtures that meet the unique needs of their clients. Whether you need a fixture for a one-off project or for ongoing production, Berkness Company can help. Their team of experienced engineers and designers will work with you to understand your specific requirements and develop a fixture that meets your needs. To learn more about how Berkness Company can help with your fixture needs, visit their Contact Us page on their website. Their team is always available to answer any questions you may have and to provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about your fixture needs. FAQs. 1. What is a fixture in manufacturing? A fixture in manufacturing is a device or tool that is used to hold and position a workpiece during a manufacturing process. It is designed to ensure that the workpiece is held securely and accurately in place, allowing for precise and consistent machining or assembly. 2. What are the different types of fixtures used in manufacturing? There are several types of fixtures used in manufacturing, including milling fixtures, drilling fixtures, welding fixtures, and assembly fixtures. Milling fixtures are used to hold and position workpieces during milling operations, while drilling fixtures are used for drilling holes in workpieces. Welding fixtures are used to hold and position parts during welding, and assembly fixtures are used to hold and position parts during assembly. 3. How are fixtures designed and manufactured? Fixtures are typically designed using computer-aided design (CAD) software, which allows engineers to create detailed 3D models of the fixture. The fixture is then manufactured using a variety of techniques, including CNC machining, welding, and 3D printing. The manufacturing process will depend on the complexity of the fixture and the materials used. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.